Hey guys, this is Jam Pop, and today I'm making beer bread. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's the easiest to make, and I always seem to have the ingredients on hand. It's perfect for using up that one lone beer that you don't like enough to drink, and it's a nice side for literally any meal. I even eat this for breakfast, toasted with some garlic butter and a fried egg. Our ingredients are a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of melted salted butter, 3 cups of flour, and 12 ounces of beer. Today I'm using a cheap German lager from Aldi. We'll start by mixing our dry ingredients. Here's our bowl of flour, add salt. Again, I can never get this out quickly. Baking powder, and our brown sugar. You can also use white sugar, but brown sugar adds a nice extra flavor. Alright, and then here's my beer. Now what beer can I use? Right now I'm using a lager. I haven't tried using a darker beer like a stout yet, but I'm sure it would work just as well and add a strong, rich flavor to the bread. You can use any other type of beer, even non-alcoholic beer, because once we cook the bread, the alcohol will cook out, so this bread won't get you tipsy, and it's a kid-friendly recipe. Now it's time to mix. Guys, don't make the same mistake I did. Please use a bigger bowl. And here I'm going to add some water. My bottle of beer was only 11.8 ounces, and my dough still has some pockets of flour, so I've added about an ounce of extra water to help the dough come together. We still want it to be very thick and not too sticky. Now we're going to add it to the pan. I'm not greasing my pan because we haven't added our final ingredient yet, the butter. This butter will not only keep the loaf from sticking, it will give us a beautifully crispy crust. It's almost like frying the bread, and I can't even describe how amazing it tastes. Now when you're baking the loaf, please put an extra pan under the bread pan because the butter will bubble up and over the loaf pan. You want to catch it with a baking pan so the butter doesn't burn in the oven. Bake at 375 degrees for about 50 minutes. Alright, now it's time to take it out of the pan. Sometimes the butter isn't quite enough to get the bread to pop out of the pan, so we can use a knife to get it out. Phew, that was rough. Alright, and there's the bread. Pair it with some garlic butter and it is heavenly. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more content, and comment below what other foods you want me to make. See you in the next video.